Afternoon folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive and in particular looking at our stunning little Fiat 500S in white. This one's lovely. You've got obviously the upgraded alloys, if you like the slightly bigger enhanced bumper styling kit along with the side skirts along the bottom. And this one is just a two owner from new car. It was owned locally, a customer that we've dealt with over a number of years now, and they've just recently part exchanged it. We have comprehensive service history, we have 2 keys, and what's more, the price you see is the price you pay. We don't charge admin fees, we don't charge extra for the RAC warranty, it's all in with the price. So moving round, I'll show you as best I can just how clean this is. So inside, as you can see, all these bolsters are all in exceptional condition still. The back bit here, this is leather, and then this bolster is fabric, this bit is fabric, and then the front on the here is leather. So you have a little bit of leather on the seat there, and then the rest is like on a fabric. As you can see, there's no chips, no scratches, no chunks missing out the dashboard. It's all in exceptional condition. Likewise with the rear, only because we know this family, their children are long since grown up for getting in the back there. So, and that's the extra side skirt that we're on about. This is where it goes on the bottom there, just to give the car a more enhanced look. And on the bigger wheels, yeah, it suits it. Also, you have on here, you have the rear spoiler, and then the deeper rear bumper as well. Looking in the boot, for a small car, it's quite a fair sized boot with the split folding seats. It doesn't matter which side you fold. And then fair play to Fiat, they've still kept a spare wheel in here, unlike many other manufacturers that could probably take a lead from that one. Moving around the side, driver's side again. As you can see, no dinks, no scratches, no marks. Very, very clean. And then I'll show you let's hope, as the camera adjusts, yes, at long last, there we go. To give you just an idea that it is as clean as I say it is. We've still got the extra mats in the floor there, so obviously they come with the car. And then with this particular model as well, we've got the leather steering wheel. It's a bit chunkier than the norm. They're multifunction as well. So turning the ignition on, this is what you see when it comes alive, shall we say. And then down here, this is where all the radio and everything is controlled. So radio area here, heat controls here, including your air conditioning. And then electric windows here and here. And then down here is where your auxiliary port is, just here. But all the dash, as you can see, there's no marks at all. Really is a credit to them. So there you have it. Our lovely, stunning Fiat 500S with the styling kit, bigger wheels. Please be quick. Please remember, we still do want to work via appointment, so you please call first, don't just turn up. Thanks ever so much for looking.